Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use going to pass. Going to pass is used to indicate an action which was repeated or intended but which did not happen. The pattern is subject plus was or were plus going to plus verb 1. I was going to work. You were going to work. He was going to work. He was going to work. She was going to work. It was going to work. We were going to work. They were going to work. Well, I hope that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.